Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everybody. I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by His mercy. At first, I would like to introduce myself. I am 𝐒𝐩𝐲𝐞𝐧 Chaudhary. I am from Hadajari, Chattogram. I am a student of class 9. I study at Hadajari Girls High School and College. Besides, I am a student of Prime English Academy. That's all about myself. Now, I move on our today's topic. Before going to my topic, I would like to thank my honorable course teacher for giving me the opportunity to talk about today's topic. Our today's topic is my feelings about spoken English course at Prime. At first, I would like to tell you about the importance of English language. English is often referred as a global language because it is spoken by millions of people across the world. Also, it is used in many countries, both as a native language and as a second language. One of the key reasons English is so important is that it helps us communicate with people from different cultures. Whether you are traveling or studying or working abroad, English can be a bridge that connects you with others. Also, it is the language of international business, science, technology, etc. As the saying goes, English is the passport to the world. Another popular saying is, to speak another language is to have another soul. Mastering English not only opens doors to countless opportunities, but also helps us to understand and engage with broader range of people and cultures. Many popular books, movies, songs, and internet research are in English. If we can understand English, we can enjoy these things in their original forms. Also, English is the primary language of top universities and companies. So speaking it well can help us to get into better schools and find good jobs. That's all about the importance of English language. Now I would like to share my feelings about spoken English course at Prime. This course has truly been a turning point for me. Before starting the course, I was quite nervous about speaking English. Also, I often hesitate to join any presentation or English conversation. But after joining this course, I felt that I was more confident about speaking English, and also I didn't hesitate to join any presentation or English conversation. This course has turned that nervousness into confidence. One of the best parts of this course was the teaching methods. There were many segments in this course, like presentation, group discussion, role plays, etc., which made the practicing English more enjoyable and practical. There were more segments in this course, like picture description, telling a story in English, which helped me to enrich my vocabulary and improve my English skill. Another best aspects of this course was the sense of community. We all supported each other, shared tips, and our improvements celebrated together. This made the learning process more enjoyable and motivating. In summary, spoken English course at Prime has been a great journey for me. It has improved my English skill, built my confidence level, and made me more comfortable with everyday English conversation. I am very grateful for the opportunity to be part of this course. So, dear audience, if you want to learn spoken English, be a student of Prime English Academy. That's all for the moment. I won't take much time from you. May Allah bless all of you. Many thanks for your patient hearing. Assalamu alaikum.